Hello everyone. Today I am here with another tutorial that is about the HTV t-shirt. I'm going to show you some essential tools that I need for this Cricut project. Cricut scraper, weeder, Cricut brayer, spatula. The Cricut Maker 3 is a Cricut's most popular machine. So, let's start. Cricut Maker cuts over 100 materials: cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, and specialty materials like glitter paper, leather and fabric. You must always mirror your image and text in your designs before cutting. And cut on the adhesive side up and shiny side down. Now, I remove the excess vinyl that I do not want on my project. In order to get the best result, we need to make sure the press applies the right amount of pressure. I like to throw the t-shirt in for a pre-press to get rid of any wrinkles and to create a nice flat space where we'll be able placing the vinyl. Adhesive lint roller is incredible. Yes, it can effectively remove lint or other small fibers very quickly. With a nice clean canvas, it's now time to place your heat transfer vinyl on the garment for pressing. Pressing temperature and time for HTV is 300 to 320 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds. Once you have the HTV in place on the substrate, and the t-shirt in place on heat press, I recommend covering the HTV with a Teflon sheet. Here, my first HTV t-shirt is done. And the result is so cool, I just love it. Well, here's I'm cutting the HTV vinyl for my second t-shirt that is actually for female. This is the design that one I'm making now. I hope you'll like this HTV t-shirt tutorial.